Hi, good morning and good evening. Uh, Let us wait for 2 more minutes. Some other guys may join. Techie team, please contact other guys about the session. Today is important session.
Hi Venkat, good morning.
Good morning, Srini.
Actually, earlier we used to get 24 hours reminder, 12 hours and 1 hour. Now directly we got 1 hour reminder. So that's why I think people are not aware of this.
No, sure. That's why I told them to call them. Let us see. Like if you have others' number, please share with the techie team. They can contact.
No, I have only Geeta number and she is already here.
Wait for 2 more minutes. Otherwise, I'll continue. They can see the recording. No issues.
So tomorrow we'll have that generic OOPS concepts and the course content what we covered. Two topics.
Yeah, yes. We'll plan the timings.
Any update from Techie team?
I think no one responding. These guys tried, but no one responding. No issues. Let us continue the session. Okay. Last session we discussed about attribute view. What is the attribute view? Attribute view is a combination of tables. Just it is like a combination of table. Attribute view always used as a input for an analytical view. So today we are discussing about analytical. What is analytical view? Okay, analytical view is the combination of attribute view. So first I'll create one analytical view and just I'm into HANA development. I'll open one project. Okay. Here, first of all, you can create. This is the Access project. By seeing this, you can able to see Access project or SAP project. SAP project logo will like SAP logo will come as Access project. Database logo will come. Okay. See here, just right click. If I want, I can create folder also. Folder is just optional. Inside the folder, you can create a attribute view. Attribute view or analytical view, these are all comes under SAP HANA. SAP HANA, database development, modeling, analytical view. Okay, naming convention is AN. Okay, I create. Okay. Before creating analytical view, just let me create one attribute view. You may forget about attribute view. Just let me create one attribute view. That attribute view I can use in analytical. Okay, 80. Just if you Windows, if you click on 80, attribute view will come. Okay. In attribute view, what I do is I'll combine VBAK and KNA1. Okay, VBAK table will having data of sales header and KNA1 having data of customer master. So customer and sales header both will combine. KNNR, where is KNNR? VBK है, मैं VBK नहीं है ना. If you want, Control F. Maybe a KN. Just you select this KN. We link with. Okay, just you double click on this. You can change the join also. Inner join. Valid join. Perfect. Now we have to select the fields. VBLN. VBLN and year date. ART network VKWAT. From here, Kunnar land 1, name 1, easier enough. Okay, it will give you information about the customer master and this one. So I'll go to Sympatic. I'll take VBLN as a key. Just I'll save. I'll right click anywhere. Team activate. Activation done. If I go and check here. Raw data. Some records are there. Okay, this is the raw data. So values are there. Kunnar, land 1, name, ORT1, region. Now I'll go to analytical. In analytical view, first you have to do the data foundation. Data foundation as it is, like how you are doing in attribute view, same way you will do data foundation. Here in data foundation, I'll take VBAP and MAKT, MARA table, material text table, and VBAP, both I'll combine. So while taking, you have to take care. ECC data, this is wrong table. So you have to take ABAP 1 only. Schema, always stand the schema ABAP 1. Again. Okay, now material number and material number. See, for this, I want to create text join. I want to create text join, not normal join. I want to create a text join. While creating a text join, language column I have to select. Language column, squares. Okay, only for text values, like there are so many languages will be there in the text table. So inner join, outer join will not work. So we have to go for text join. Text join means based upon languages, it will take the data. Validate join, this is correct. No, you have to select the fields. You selected in data foundation. So whatever you selected in data foundation, it will come to start join. So this is already available. Okay. In join, I have to add with other tabular view or something. So I already created attribute view. Okay. That attribute view I try to add here. AT_sales. I select this. Now I have to combine these two tables. This is a view, this is a table. So VBLN is a common field. Okay, no issues. Now we link this one. So both got created in semantics. I'll take EVLN as a key. Okay, so you have to take fields, at least one network. Network is like method. Okay, at least one method should be there. So the other method. So now just I'll try to activate. Okay, network is already. So here network is already existing. You have to rename. Okay, activation success. Okay, no. If I go and check. I can able to see raw data. Okay, if you want to analysis, just these measures will come one side and like Kanana wise, customer wise, and network. Customer wise, Jim system. So customer and material text combination. So both the combination. So combination, if you want to see, you have to go with multiple pairs. This combination. Okay, these are the different features are available. So using that, you can analysis. With any output, can be downloaded as a picture, image. Clear? Any doubts till now?
Earlier in the right pane, there is a input parameters also there. Is it something like it will create a select options or select select, I think, for the selection thing?
Yeah, I'll explain. Actually, I'll explain it is wrong. Okay. Yeah, we'll create input parameters. Let me start. Okay. Now, this is the plain attribute view and analytical view. Now I want to add fields, I want to restrict fields, I want to add selection criteria. These are all options I want to do. For this, see how can I do that? Now analytical. See. Here calculated columns. I already told calculated columns. Suppose if you want to do multiplication of sales or anything, okay, new call. You have to give some name. One something like, is it character or numeric, anything, varchar or anything, like I'm taking date, today's date I want to take. So here we have to do R&D, like we have to do practice, okay, with all the options, whatever options available, you have to explore the options and what other results are coming. Okay, you have to explore the syntax also. One day, okay, you can create the expression. Okay, now okay, date functions, I'll take date function. Now today's date it will be just validate syntax, validate. Now done. Okay, activate. So, oh, we have to add in the Activation successful. See, column 1 already there. Column 1 came here. In analytical, we are doing something here, something network. Okay, this is okay. Only one material is there. Now, I want to add some restricted column. Restricted column means okay. Sometime while giving analysis, suppose you are doing for 3 countries. Okay, 3 countries data is here only. 3 countries related data also here only. So now what you want to do is you don't want to show like US and AU, okay, UK. There are 3 countries are there. 3 countries related data is there. While doing analysis for UK, you give UK data. US, you give US data. You don't give US and UK data to Australia. Okay. So how can I restrict? Okay, how can I restrict that? Is there any feasibility to restrict the data? Okay, country restriction or region restriction or anything is possible. Okay. This is possible. Now, how can I create a restricted column? I'm going to analytical. I'm going to start join. Here there is a concept called restricted column. Restricted column I can create only for measure, not for values. Okay, so I can here I cannot take a country because all countries are same. I'll take a Kununar something. Okay, REC. Restricted amount. Okay, column only network and these columns only available. You can restrict only these two. Based on which condition? Based on which condition I want to restrict? So here land one. If I take land one, all are same. So I cannot take. So Kununar equals to six. Okay, If Kunal equal to 6, can I show or exclude or include? Okay, if you take include, otherwise exclude. You can give expression, entire logic you can build up here related to that field. Okay, I restricted. One more field added. If you see restricted columns, one more column added. Semantics. If you see, there is one more column. Restricted amount. Okay, that is amount. Now team activate. Right click.
Good job.
Team activate. Okay, activated. So I'll go here. See, if I see raw data, customer number 6, this one is there, this one is there, this one is there. Okay, if I do some sorting, these are all customer number 6. 5 records are there. In restricted columns, with the 5 records, there is no values. Because for the 5 records, I am restricting. So while doing analysis for country, no need to write separate logic. Okay, if you are doing country wise, you separate query is also not required. Just you use that country related data. Just you take country equal to US, include. So only US data only will come, other data won't come. Any doubts?
Actually, I assumed that restricted amount for that the CONA 6 will not appear in the table based on the filter we selected. Based on the filter we selected, I assumed that the CONA 6 will not appear in the table.
No. We are not disturbing the output. We are not disturbing the output. You are not restricting the selection criteria. We are restricting field level. Okay, column level you are restricting.
Okay.
Okay, if you give filter, the filter will restrict all the values. We are not doing filter.
Okay.
Okay, just you are restricting the output. Output column. So you are creating a separate column where only one country, US country data will come. Otherwise, not equal to US will come. Something like that. Okay, include or exclude.
is a difference between restricted columns and input?
Yeah, input means here there are 20 records are coming, right? If you are restrict, where customer equal to 6 means only 6 records will come. Entire output will restrict. In output, only one column will restricting.
Okay, so input is for the entire output and restrict is only for particular column.
Particular new column. Okay, based on column you will do analysis. Like for example, we created on query. Okay, output you given to some analytical. Actually, this output will be given to the Lumira third-party tools. Those tools will generate the front-end, like front-end analytical will done by third-party tools. Reporting tools are there. Just we'll share this output. They will do analysis and they will give the result. Okay, so every time you don't want to do the filtering because of filtering US1 query, UK1 query, something like everything is one query. There are different fields for different outputs. Now I'll show you the how to handle input. So I'll go to attribute. Analytical. Here input parameters. Input parameters I can give in star join level and you can give data foundation level. If you give data foundation level, it will be filtered at the data foundation. Star join level, it will be filtered at the star join level. So I'll create a star join level. So input parameters, right click, new. See, it is very simple. Input parameter, I want to give input on a customer. So first, is it direct input or indirect input? So direct input means just only you give the number. Okay, so column means specific column. Okay, reference column. What is the reference column? QNNR. Okay, column means we will take reference column. Next, derived from the table. Like while writing F4L, suppose material number, if you want to try take F4L, you take data from the MAKT. Right? If you take from the KUN like customer, you take from KNA1. We won't take from VBAK. What is the difference? If you take from VBAK, whatever orders created for that order, customer only will come. If you take KNA1, all the customer master will come. Okay, static list means just you can create hard code values. Are you understanding?
Yes,
There are different, like direct means ABCD output, direct value, and column means you can select the column on the program. Okay, If you derive from the table means external table, like KNA1 table, MAKT table, all values will come. If you take column, whatever available data is there, that data only, from that data only F4L will come. Okay, now I'll take from column. I am taking the Kunana. I don't want to give any value. Like value, if you want to give, you can give here. So I don't want to give any hardcode value. Just I created. Okay. Now I want to apply filter here. Right click. This is right here. Where is KNR? This one. Here apply filter. In apply filter equal to value fixed. Fixed means hardcode value. Otherwise input parameter. I can select input parameter. Material is available. So just I am taking material. So selection is done. Now activate. You see that material is CG001. Okay, if I run this, see it is asking for material. Whenever I running, it is asking for material. CG001, only one material is there. So if you run data, if you give other material number, it will restrict like this. Clear?
Actually, you give an input parameter for Kunna. Why material came in between?
No input, like we in data foundation level only you can give. Like here attribute view, it is other attribute view, right? So Kunanar is derived from other attribute view. Here, see, here Kunanar is from here. So already restriction, already attribute view level we cannot give. understanding?
No. For Kunnar parameter input and input you have taken, right, for column level restriction.
That's right. We can able to do data foundation level filtering. Here already data selection is already done, right? Here join level you cannot give.
Okay.
Data foundation level we can give.
So earlier Kunnar filter what you have input parameter you have shown is that is not correct.
No, that I tried, but here Kunnar is at already created attribute level. Attribute view already generated.
Okay.
So I cannot give filter that level. Okay, while data fetching, data foundation level only I can give.
Okay.
That's why I change it to material.
Okay.
Clear? Okay, I'll send you the documentation. I'll let you know about the timings, tomorrow timings. So just practice whatever sessions we discuss now. So any doubts, you can contact me. Okay guys, I'm concluding the session for today. Tomorrow session mostly maybe same time. Take it.
Hello. Venkat, its voice break. I could not hear. Tomorrow session will be the same time. Same time you told. Okay.
Yeah, you will get message immediately. You will get message. Okay.
Okay. Please send the documentation, and tomorrow we will be having OOPS concept and going through the course content. What it was, right?
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.